So today we are back looking at another AI. This is the Grok. This is the one that's owned by Elon Musk, and we looked at DeepSeek a week before, and I thought we'll look at Grok. And I actually really like Grok as a AI chat engine. So what I asked it was, give me a trading strategy that has a high win rate that I can code into a trading robot. And it does talk a lot. I'm not too interested in what it says, only the code and the output. So it gives you all of this. So I basically wanted a high win rate over 90% that I can use in a trading robot. And once again, it went on 60 web pages. I mean, this is research that I would do normally manually, but the great thing about Grok and DeepSeek and all the new search engines is that if you click the DeepSeek or deep search, it actively looks on the internet. So this is the kind of stuff that I would do myself anyway, but it's gone and found 60 pages and it compares them all, and it came back with something called the triple RSI trading strategy. And there are a few citations of this strategy where you get up to over 90%. And what I did was literally got to the point where it came back and I said, okay, please code this for me, making sure that every variable is optimized and all the libraries are declared. Also, all the filling modes are catered for. So this is just something which to help it be less buggy. I tried to just steer it in the right direction. And it came up with the trading robots. You can see these ones here for optimization, RSI, and all these other inputs that it allows. It did take a few iterations, a few error codes, and a few refinements, but towards the end, I did get myself a trading robot, which I was able to get working. And I'm going to show you what that looks like and what the backtest look like, because obviously we get something which has a 90% win rate. That will be absolutely amazing, and something which doesn't use grid or martingale, those dodgy trading techniques which can blow your account. So here we are. I've called it Mr. Allen Forex Triple RSI, and you'll see I did run a couple of optimizations. The first one which I ran between 2024, August 2024 to present date, and only 25 trades. So I wasn't really happy with this optimization, because 25 trades, and yes, some decent results considering it all starts at $100 for the backtest. That looks great, quite good, but 25 trades is too low to really make this possible. So I optimized it again with different parameters, and 47 between August and latest date, which isn't bad, considering we start off, if you look here, 100 USD, you can get 1,740, right? That's crazy, really good. So if you click on start, go to disable, so we can right click one of these, run a single test. You can see what that looks like. So I do have a problem with my history quality, so I am a bit worried about that, and I wasn't able to download. If you go here, you should go here, and you can download data. And I'm finding I'm having some difficulties right now. I cannot seem to download any tick data, which is very frustrating, but I can download bar data. I have no idea why that is. So I do need to look at that, but if you try it, let me know how you get on. I have tried it on a different platform and it does work, so I don't know whether it's just IC markets. But you can see we start with $100 in August, so we're talking about only like 6 months, right? Only half a year, but that $100 can turn into 1,655. So that's a good 160%, or no, 1,600% return. 244 profit factor, which is huge. 10% or under 10% drawdown, you can see here. And okay, it doesn't quite hit 90%. Far from it. 63% for shorts, 71%. This is the win rate for longs. Average of 66% win rate. So yeah, nowhere near 90%, but it is profitable, right? And if I were to drop the lot size down, I mean, going from that to that is quite large, but yet the drawdown is only 9%. That's pretty good, but you can make it even lower if the risk is too high. Then I did the same thing also for GBP USD. Also 3 profit factor, drawdown is higher. So let's have a look at that. Right click. Let's have a look. So also 100 to almost well 900. So $800 profit from 100%, 40% drawdown, so that's higher. Higher profit factor. So I mean, yes, really simply, it has generated a profitable backtest. Obviously, the next step is to demo trade it and then test it live. But I just want to show you this because it's just so powerful. This AI is so easy to go from an idea, which you can get from the AI engine, to a working trading robot, which you can then test and refine and you know, make this work. I mean, seeing the results from this, I am very much encouraged. I'm going to see what I can do to make it better, because obviously through this, just using the triple RSI, this trading robot, we are seeing potential profits. You know, it does work. And you know, we're not using grid or martingale. So I'll release this. You can have this for premium Patreon members. You can download this at no additional cost to your membership. Also make it available for those who do want to purchase it but don't want the membership commitment. But I'm looking to see how I can refine this and make this better, increase the profits, lower the risk, all that kind of stuff, and add more features to it. So if you want to test it, you can do so. If you've got any more ideas for new trading robots, or even ideas to improve this one, just let me know, and I'll see what I can do. But that's it for my quick video. I will speak to you all soon.